Hi, it's Holly Souter with another Backyard Nature Craft for you. And today is Earth Day, so today we're going to do some crafts that reuse, repurpose, and use some recycled items. So today what we're going to make are these beautiful flowers. These are made from recycled magazines and catalogs, and these are a project that my friend Teresa at the Park District, who's the special event coordinator, has done at several events such as the Discarded Art Show and the Nature Arts Festival. So I'm going to show you how to make these today. So what you need are some old magazines or catalogs, some pipe cleaners. These are shiny. It's just what I had on hand. Some scissors, some beads, and some buttons, and a paper punch. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take some of the pages from your magazine or catalog and you're going to cut it into about 1-inch strips. But make sure everyone's done reading them first before you start cutting them up. That's the wise part. You might want to look in your recycle bins. So I've already cut some into strips like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a couple of your strips. I've got a rock from the yard to hold them in place so they don't blow away. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a few and you're going to fold it into a loop so that they overlap like that. And then you're going to pinch it to the center like this. See? Like a little bow. You're going to take your paper punch and you're going to punch a hole through the center of all of that. Like that. That will give you a strip that has a hole on each end and in the center. Okay, that's the first step. Then you're going to take your pipe cleaner. Now, you're going to grab a little bead if you have one. If not, just kind of twist your pipe cleaner. And we're going to find a little bead in my bag here. Here's a little one right there. I'm going to push this down about 1/4 of the way. Okay? That's just going to keep our little loops of our petal, of our flower, from sliding all the way down our pipe cleaner. So now what you're going to do, you're going to go back into your paper loops. And you're going to take each loop and you're going to line it up the same way. Line up those 2 end holes, line them up to the center hole like that. And you're going to slide it down your pipe cleaner. Okay, that's my first petal. And that bead keeps it from sliding all the way down. So I'm going to continue. We're going to do a couple more. Now, if you don't have pipe cleaners or chenille stems, as they're called in the craft world, maybe you can use a stick from the yard or a straw or a piece of wire. Now, my mom was cleaning out her craft room a couple weeks ago and said, "Do you want this bag of pipe cleaners?" And I said, "Yeah, I don't have any left," because mine got used up a couple years ago with a high school student making a biology project. I think she was making DNA. So I was glad to have these. So you might not want to use shiny if you've got a choice. Maybe you have something fuzzy and green, but this is what I have on hand. So part of being at home and doing crafts, you make do with what you have. Part of doing a recycled craft is you do what you got on hand. Okay, so I think that's enough loops. It looks like a pretty flower. So now I'm going to go into my bag of buttons. Now, if you don't have beads but you've got buttons, put a button down here. Just go through one hole. That'll keep that. Now I'm going to dig in my bag of buttons. I'm going to use that button. I think these buttons are left over, as are the beads, from some Girl Scout crafts of days gone by. I was a Girl Scout leader for a long, long time. Had lots of supplies. We did a lot of fun projects. So I'm going to put the button on one side of the pipe cleaner. Now I'm going to push it down a little ways. I'm going to go back down through the opposite hole of that button. See how I did that? It's going through there. Now here, what you're going to do, push that pipe cleaner all the way through so that it's snug there. Now you got a tail here. Push that tail back through the center hole that we just laced all of our petals on. It's going to stay. Your petals aren't going to fall off because we looped it on that button. See? And now on the underside, I'm going to slide that back through my bead. Or if you have a button, slide it through, or just put a little twist in it. Snug it up, and now I've got a beautiful flower. Just kind of alternate your petals. You can do as many petals as you want, and there's a beautiful flower. Now this is a little floppy, so I'm going to fold this a little bit just to give it some extra strength. You could probably get 2 flowers out of 1 pipe cleaner or chenille stem. And there we go. Beautiful flowers. But we need a vase. So being that it's Earth Day and we're recycling and reusing and repurposing, there's my vase. Yesterday's lunch soup vase. Well, that doesn't look very pretty. We can do better than that. So what I did was, you get 2 projects today. I got some sticks from the yard. We do that a lot on these backyard nature crafts. And I got another soup can. And what I did was I cut my sticks with my hand pruners and I glued them all the way around this can. Now I did use hot glue. So it was a little tedious, took some time, but I got a little extra time these days. And what I did is I made sure that I cut off all the extra bumps that I could to make them a little easier to fit around. So if you have hot glue or your parent or adult can help you with that, maybe you can pick the sticks and they can glue them. This will be a quick way to make this vase. But there's another way. So let's put our pretty bouquet in that one. Look at that, isn't that fun? Now, what you're gonna need to make the easy way is a can, 2 rubber bands. Now we're gonna put the rubber band, 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. I'm gonna make sure they're smooth and not twisted. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my sticks and I'm gonna put 1 through one end, 1 through the other end, okay? Like that. I might move this rubber band down a wee bit. Now I'm going to keep going like this. Okay, making that rubber band flat, just pushing them down. Same process, I'm just not gluing it. You can use white glue. It just takes a little bit more to get that grab that hot glue has an instant grab. See, look at that, same kind of effect. Let's put 1 more. Now I will tell you, if you do the rubber band method, you're going to want to make sure your sticks are about the same diameter, because if you put a skinny little one in, it's going to slide right through because the diameter of these has pushed the rubber band out a little further. So for a tight fit, try and find all of about the same size. And then what you can do once you've gone all the way around, you can get some ribbon. And then you can take this ribbon and completely cover your rubber band. You can use a little glue if you want and hold that in place and put nice pretty ribbons just like we did on this one. And then nobody but you and I are going to know that there's really a rubber band under there. It's our little secret. So whichever you decide to do, whether the rubber band method or the glue method, I hope you have fun making some backyard nature crafts on Earth Day, reusing and repurposing what you might have in your recycling, and making the most of the beautiful things that you can do in your backyard. Hope you had a good time. As always, post your project results on Geauga Park District social media, and we'll see you next time. Bye.